Hello and a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to today's session. And so we just started the session now. And hi Shreya and Yogita, Tejaswini, Chaya, Kashish, Madhav, Prerika, Aishwarya, and Anmol, Amish, and Priyash, and Diksha, Dwarita, Shravan, Ruhi. There is no audio. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Hi, Hemant and Priyanka. Also Vignesh and Nikhil. Ujjwal, yes, very good evening. You can hear? Okay, great. So Akhilesh and Saurabh, good to hear all of you. Sumrita, Imran, Ushanshi and Aditya, Gurkirat, Prabhat, Harshita and Pooja, Renu and Sahil, thank you. Sanskar Narayan and Kanishk, Nikhil, I'm good, thank you. Akhilesh, welcome. And all of you. Chalo. So let us start off without further delay. And today's session is more of a generic discussion as to what has to be done in the next 2 months. We have just now approximately 2 months, 2 months and a few days actually for the CAT. So what should be done in verbal ability and reading comprehension in this time, and how to maximize your scores? Obviously, the title of today's session is how to get a 99 percentile in VRC, but we are trying to maximize our scores and get as many marks as we can. So obviously everybody dreams for the 99 percentile, which is also very much achievable actually. So that is yes, Dipti will talk about that, and Harsh and Bhargavi, Namit and Sumit, welcome all of you. Okay, so all of who are not me being audible, this problem, just log out and log in. I will just, put that, or in the group, if people are asking, just tell them to log out and re-log in, because I think there are no audio issues to the others. Okay, chalo. So let us start off with, now first, uh, Joel, this is not for CAT 22. I mean, the strategy that I'm giving is the last 2 months. You can obviously use it for a prolonged period of time. But for CAT 22, I'll be taking a special session with all of you. Sorry, I have a power cut, some light problem, but I'll be online. And not to worry. ठीक है ना? So yeah, we will talk about all of that, Prashant, not to worry. Tita and how to start off. ठीक है ना? So Yogesh, good evening. And what should we do if we don't do well in CAT? Yes, Shivam, I'll talk about that also. Okay, we'll discuss that also. So chalo, so let us start off immediately without further delay. Now, the points that I will be covering, so let me just write it down. All right, so the important topics. This is something that I will be covering. What are the important topics that you should be doing? Okay, reading comprehension and verbal ability topics. Okay, the approach to them, how to approach, then option problems. Hannah, this is something that you want to discuss. Definitely everybody wants to discuss all the time option problems. Okay, then understanding issues. So I'm just writing my agenda for today. And then if I leave out something, you tell me, okay, ma'am, please include this also. I'll include that also for today. So understanding issues, but I will be giving you tips. See, you'll have to do it. You'll have to do the work. So then mock strategy. A short analysis strategy भी बता देंगे हम, short analysis of mocks, how to go about them in very short, है ना? And then what else? Okay, then the cutoffs, marks, percentile, for CAT, etc. And overall I think I have covered most of the points that you want, and error elimination, है ना? Error elimination, accuracy improvement. This is asking too much, but then let's see. I'll try to do all of this today. Okay, so I'll just give you brief overviews as to क्या करना है, and then you'll have to do things about it. ठीक है? So thank you, Deep Jyoti. And how to choose the right RC, है ना? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, I'll do that also. Yeah, Utkarsh, we'll do that. We'll do that, huh? We'll do that for you. So either I'll have a recorded one in that, or just like I'm doing the 50 important VA questions, I might have the difficult questions recordings, or I might do it live. Live में क्या होता है कि sometimes there's too much interference because of the talk, so it will be either, huh? ठीक है? Okay, so choosing the right questions rather. ठीक है? All right, chalo. So I think this more or less covers everything. Yeah, anyone, yes, they can crack in 2 months, Kashish, actually. So हाँ, तो different types of RC इसी में cover कर लेंगे केशव, but then उसमें कुछ better words नहीं होता है. Problem ये है कि whatever you get in the exam, that is how you have to react. है ना? So I'll include this, but ये इसको हम लोग कितना भी, you know, you might like one type, but that's not really going to help you because you'll have to be ready with all kinds of RCs. ठीक है? Yeah, how many should you solve? Yes. अब parajumbles को VA में pick up कर लेंगे. Tricks. Parajumble tricks I have been doing, Kashish, in your sessions also. If you're already a Mindworks students, I've taken so many sessions. Please watch them. Booster sessions पे cat questions भी किए हैं. And parajumbles I'm covering in the must watch videos. Must, 50 important verbal ability, which I'm doing on YouTube. I've done already 4 sessions on parajumble, Kashish. Please watch them, है ना? On the YouTube, and अपना, if you're a Mindworks student, then on your portal also there are long sessions also. So please start that. If you haven't started, Neha, that's a problem now because but we'll talk about the last what things you can do definitely. हाँ, time allocation रूही सबका अलग रहेगा, but I'll discuss that. I'll discuss mocks वो strategy में ही आ जाएगा वो. ठीक है, चलो. So let us start off. So I think I have covered. या तो वो देख लो कशिश, तो आपका काम हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? And concentration, okay, Diksha, we'll talk about concentration also. Let's see. Chalo. So let us first start off with the important topics that are there. So important topics may say what I will do is, just to save some time, I will just go back to my intro session, and what I'll do is I'll just copy paste the chapters from there. So for the CAT in reading comprehension, you have to have short and long passages, which are there. So this is something that you have to, now short passages can be as short as 200 words, and long passages can be up to 1,000 words, 1,000, 1,100 words also. RCs we have seen. Latest RC pattern is what we see is normally that is your 600 to 800 words. That is the latest pattern. But आपको दोनों करना पड़ेगा, short and long दोनों करना पड़ेगा. So long passages will be your 500 to 1,000 word passages, and the short passages will be 200 to around 450 words passages. So short passages ka practice you will get in the GMAT guide, you will get, and even in other exam papers you will get, and the long passages ka you will get in the original CAT papers 99 to 2008. Also in CAT 17, 18, 19, 20, you will get a mix of both. And if you add ZAT and IFT passages, which are there in my verbal ability reading comprehension books, we have included the ZAT and IFT question papers also. After all the chapters, there's a chapter called Flavor of Exams. Usme there are CAT papers hai, or ZAT and IFT hai. So the questions are there. In the 8th, 9th edition, we have included all of that. So if you have the latest books, you will get access to that also. Otherwise, you can just download from the net also the papers and do them. So for the last moments, the passages should be picked up from the original papers. That is the best thing. And you should at least do them twice. At least the CAT papers you should do twice. 17, 18, 19, 20 ka jo CAT papers hai, that you should appear as mocks. So what we have done is we have made the replicats in our test series, which are the replica cats, means they are the original papers. So you give them as a test. They're already on your portal. And what I'm doing is 17, 18, 19, 20, I'm making the video solutions, most of them on YouTube. Some will be specially recorded for Mindworks students also. That will be available. So wo aap log karna shuru kar do. And but before that, you know, do from the book LOD 1 and 2. So people who are starting the preparation, start off with LOD 1 and 2 from the book. And once you touch LOD 2, then you can start doing the IFT, ZAT and CAT passages, the original papers also. Okay? So that is one thing. Then, so year-wise question, Somrita, is there's a CAT papers book also, Somrita, which sir and I have authored. So that you can go for. Otherwise, if you don't want to go for a book, and the net also has all the papers, you can just download it from there also. Yeah, okay. So yeah, the book is enough, Tejaswini. That's enough. And then do the papers and the mock tests that we are providing. That will be more than enough. If you want more practice, I've shared the GMAT guide with you also, so you can practice from there also. Okay, so chalo. So this is for RC. Now this abhi just strategy bata rahe. What problems you are facing in the chapters, we'll come to that later. Okay. So this is for the next 2 months. LOD 1, 2, at least try to do 40, 50 passages. All right, from there, and then move on to the papers. Okay, 2 to 3 RCs daily, 3 RCs at least daily, because at one stretch try to do 3 RCs in 40 minutes. That should be 35, 40 minutes. That should be your ideal time. All right, ideal time actually is 30 minutes, but at least 35, 40 maybe agar abhi September mein ho ja raha hai, so in October you can then start reducing your time. So that is for your comprehension. Okay, for preparation. How to solve the issues, we'll talk about them later. Coming to the other chapters, the important chapters in paragraph level are the first two, which is the parajumble and irrelevant statement, also called as the odd man out. Just changing the color here to yellow. So these two and the summary chapter, summary of the paragraph. These two from the latest pattern, CAT 17, 18, 19, 20, gives you 4 questions from parajumbles, 2 to 3 questions from irrelevant statement, and 2 to 3 questions from the summary. That is the standard pattern. And in the new pattern in comprehension, we have 18 questions. So 18 questions are there in comprehension, and then we have 8 questions in verbal ability. Okay, so 8 questions verbal ability, 18 questions in comprehension. उस 8 questions में से 4 questions parajumble, 2 summary and 2 irrelevant. Sometimes 3-3-2 also, but mostly 4-2-2. So parajumble is again important. 2 out of 4 parajumbles are usually crackable. Then I've also included last sentence of the paragraph and critical reasoning, because in comprehension sometimes you get strengthen the argument of the author or weaken the argument of the author, which you know is is actually a critical reasoning question which comes in comprehension. So that is why I have included it in the must do chapters even for CAT. And the last sentence of the paragraph was coming till CAT 2016 regularly, right from CAT 2005. So this also I have included. At least be comfortable with these 2 chapters, critical reasoning and last sentence. You don't have to be perfect in them, but at least be comfortable. So that will, because actually if you look at GMAT, critical reasoning includes last sentence of the paragraph and summary. So actually these 2 chapters are a part of critical reasoning on a larger perspective. That's why I've included these 5 chapters. So verbal mein these 5 chapters are important. Now, if you're giving non-CATs, then you will go for the word level questions like fill in the blanks, synonym, antonym, odd man out, analogy, Fill in the blanks I've already said. Then grammar based questions on phrasal verbs, sentence correction. 2 questions from sentence correction normally comes. So basic grammar, if you've done, that's enough. Phrasal verbs, if you've done, that's enough. That's for non-cats. So people who feel that they might not be able to perform very well in cat, see, these are the common chapters which are coming in all exams. Irrelevant statement only comes in the cat. The irrelevant statement question only comes in the cat. Baki, all the questions from comprehension and parajumble and critical reasoning and all of this comes in all exams. So if you prepare for cat, automatically wo part aapka, you do it. And for the other exams, these word level questions, I'm not copy pasting it, just showing it here for you. So your synonyms, antonyms, odd man out, analogy, one word substitutions, idioms, phrases, proverbs, sayings, and spellings, and your sentence level may fill in the blanks, grammar exercises, phrasal verbs, and sentence correction. This is what you have to do. So if you're starting your preparation for CAT and non-CAT both, in the next 2 months, you'll have to cover all of that. I would say focus more on the chapters which are important for CAT, and baki ko thoda sa just before the exams brush up kar lo, because something like vocabulary you can't memorize in 2 months, but jo must know words, at least high frequency kar lena, root words kar lena, those will be important for non-cats. For the cat, high frequency if you are doing, that will be good for cat also, because in your comprehension those are the must know words, so you will benefit. So that is there about your vocabulary part. Okay, and IFT is similar, Sanya. Okay, so IFT is similar, lot of word level questions and comprehension. That's what comes, and fill in the blanks. ठीक है ना? So that's what you have to look at. नहीं हर्ष, ऐसा नहीं है. I think you are confused in that ways. You can discuss with me later about it. And grammar, Sanya, grammar just as I told you, sentence correction. So that you can do from the book and from the past papers. And the IFT made once they had asked about phrases and clauses. That was in IFT 2016 or 17. Before and after that, they've not asked anything like that. So fill in the blanks is very important. Fill in the blanks with phrasal verbs, articles, prepositions, all of those, idioms, phrases, and root words. Foreign words are important for IFT. That is what you'll have to do. So obviously Sharma sir and I will be recording separate sessions for NMAT and IFT also. This is mostly to focus on the cat. All right. So abhi chalo fir let's go ahead. So this is what you have to focus on. Now if you're already preparing, so you know all of this. How to then move on to your approach, your option problem, your understanding issues. Now let us take up the problems. So the approach in the last 2 months has to be that, as I told you, at least 50-60 comprehension passages from your LOD 1 and 2 combined. Okay, so and then if you add the CAT papers, you will be doing around 100 passages, 100 to 150 passages in total. So with the CAT papers, with the mocks and the ASCCs and the sectional tests combined, 100-150 passages you have to solve. Similarly, for parajumbles, there are around 400 questions in the book, so that's more than enough. And apart from that, the papers, which are also included in the book, otherwise you can do it from the mocks, etc. Similarly, for your odd man out and your summary questions, 100-120 questions if you're doing, that should be good enough. ठीक है ना, for practice, and then add your mocks and sectional tests. So that will give you enough practice. Now, apart from that, please do a little bit of paragraph analysis and linking of sentences. Any readings that you're doing, which is of CAT level, please make sure that you are seeing how the sentences are linked to each other. That is going to help you find, parajumbles easier. That is going to help you eliminate the wrong option from the irrelevant statement. And that is also going to help you in finding the main idea, which is important for the summary questions. So that is something, the linking of sentences while you are even solving jumbles, the linking of sentences when you are reading a normal paragraph also from the sources that we have already told you so many times, like the Guardian, like the IEP, Internet Encyclopedia of Philosophy, for a moment there was a switch in the power cut, so I just switched off my camera so that you know, there is no distortion. Yeah, now it's fine. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So where was I? Till where did you hear? What was the last sentence that you heard from me? Also will tell me how many people were being attentive, huh? So the article reading, so I had talked about, well, long thing I talked about the article reading. Okay, the sources of reading. Thank you, Bhavika and Amish and Shravan. ठीक है. So I got it. So I was talking about Guardian, IEP, Internet Encyclopedia of Philosophy, the Aeon, है ना? These are your free reads, The Economist, etc. If you can lay hands on. And so try to do, so what I was saying is something very important, that now in the last month of your reading, you have to start reading 800 to 900 words in 4 to 5 minutes. Make a target. That has to be achieved. Because if you want to solve a comprehension in 12 minutes or 10 minutes, then obviously we have to look at reading the passage in 4 to 5 minutes. So let us assume that the passage will not be more than 800 words or 900 words. So aapko at least 1 page or 3/4 of a page, you should be able to do one quick reading in 3 to 4 minutes, at the most 5 minutes, and fine tune karke next month tak you have to go back to 4 minutes of reading, 4 to 5 minutes on the upper side. Okay, so that, and please make sure that when you're doing your comprehension, read the question first. If it's a long passage, reading the question first always helps you, because when you're doing your first reading, you already know, okay, Mr. X and Mr. Y have been talked about, or Mr. Welpton has been talked about. And when you're reading and you find Mr. Welpton in paragraph 2, then you automatically know, okay, question number 3 mein Mr. Welpton had been talked about, and that is paragraph 2 has this answer. So you'll just quickly jot down in your notebook, in your rough sheet, that for question 3-2, paragraph 2, bas utna hi, so that when you reach question 3, you just go to paragraph 2. So it'll, you know, at least for specific questions jo dhoondna padta hai na, author has given this argument why. Abhi aapne ek reading agar pura, if you have done it without you know, seeing the question, then what happens is that you again go to find where that argument was, or where that quotation was. Just now I was making this ASCT, I was correcting your ASCC 15 for you before it is launched, and there was a, you know, 2-3 quotations and 2-3 things that you'll have to go back to. So make sure that you read the question first, not the option, just the question, so that you can actually keep marking in your rough sheet, so that you can go back. That saves quite a few seconds of you know, searching that in the passage again. So that will save your time. And so that is one thing in comprehension that has to be worked upon now. ठीक है ना? So yeah, Shubham, if you're doing that plus the earlier readings which are uploaded, है ना, the daily readings which we share, earlier readings which are uploaded on the portal, if you're doing that, that's more than enough. ठीक है ना? So so Shaunak, this video will be available to you, huh? Sumrita, I have switched off my video. I'll switch it on if you want, but I think more than seeing my face, it's important to see what I'm talking about. You can see my screen, right? And now you can see my face also. So just because of the internet interference, I had just closed it. Okay, chalo. So that is what, yes, Manoj, I think that's what I was saying, that read the questions first and then go back to the passage. Don't read the options. And no, Bharat, I would not say, yeah, I mean, in that same passage that is advisable, but don't keep coming back to the RC again. So now let's take up this question. Is it a good idea to do all the direct questions first from 2-3 passages and then come back for the inference questions? The answer is no. Why, I'll tell you, is because yes, in that very same passage, if you're giving allotted time of 8 to 10 to 12 minutes maybe, and you are doing the direct questions first and then doing the inference questions while you are in the same passage, that is fine. But if you go to passage 2 and 3 and then come again back to passage 1 to do the inference questions, क्या होगा कि आपका mind muddled up हो जाएगा between 3 passages. You will get confused because you read 3 passages and then coming back to the first one will create a, you'll lose more time than you'll actually save. So yes, it's a good idea inside the passage. First do the direct ones if you know the answer, and then do the specific ones because that is asked from a particular point. आपने already first reading में mark कर लिया है where those particular points were, and then go to them and infer. Okay. And then the main idea questions, the style and tone questions are again the easy ones. If you know them, then it's always easy to attempt those questions. They may be inferential also, but like the style and tone is always inferential. But if it is there in the exam, you can definitely attempt it because it's a good question to attempt if you are strong in that question. Okay, na? All right, Bharat. So that is something that you have to do. Okay. And हाँ, सेफ जोन अभी बताते हैं पॉइंट मार्क्स के बारे में. I'll come in 5 minutes. ठीक है ना? Okay, if I don't talk about it, please remind me. So, all right. So coming back now to your problems, the option problem. Since we are in comprehension, तो comprehension का issue solve कर लेते हैं. ठीक है? So, okay, Bharat, Harsh is asking, पहले VA करना चाहिए, RC, ये आपके ऊपर depend करता है. Strategy 2 मिनट बाद बात करेंगे, Harsh. Overall strategy I'll talk about. कौन सा पहले करना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? So let's talk about comprehension now. The option problem is something that many people are having. I've made a very small video on Arun Sharma Mindworks channel, the option trap. So you can watch that as a 4-minute video. It actually solves your problem, but still, I'll just discuss the same points in short here. See, first of all, the option problem starts because you have not created a mental answer yourself. So what happens is, it's like, I'll use the same analogy. You enter a shop and you want to buy a watch. All right. And you want to buy a watch and you go into a shop that is selling watches. And they will say that we've got 500 watches and you can buy any. So these are the options that you have. All right. And then you tell them that, no, I want a watch which is not digital. I want an analog watch. Okay. So they said, okay, so now we narrow down your options. There are 100 analog watches that I have in the shop. And then you say, no, I want one with a leather strap. So then he says, okay, I've got 50 with a leather strap. And then you say that, no, I want also something which has a golden dial. So he says, okay, fine. The golden dial is there in 20 watches. And then you further specify that I want something which is the numbers are also, written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is written. And he says, okay, I've got 10 in that. And then you further specify that I don't want Roman numerals. I want the normal 1, 2, 3, 4 written. And he says, okay, I've got 5 watches like that. And then from those 5 watches, you say that, okay, I want one which is very sober and for office wear, not for party wear. And then he has one which is matching your specification. So that is the watch that you pick up because you were sure of what you wanted. Now the same analogy, the same relationship is there with a comprehension question also. If you read a question and from the passage you are able to know that, okay, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So anything which has more than 4 points, has 5 points, is a wrong answer. More than what you asked is wrong. Anything which has changed 1 or 2 points, gone somewhere else, that is also a wrong answer. Anything which has got information from outside is also a wrong option. Okay. And anything which does not cover the main point which is being asked, half an answer, is also a wrong option. So then sometimes you were looking for 4 points, but the best option has only 3 points. Then in case, what do? You pick up that option. So the option which has the maximum points that you had thought about, but it includes the most important point. ऐसा नहीं कि आप main idea का question है और main idea ही नहीं है, बाकी सब points है, तब तो वो wrong answer होगा. Okay, but it has to cover the most important point, and together with it the other points agar half mentioned bhi rahenge to chale. So cover the option which has the maximum points. Any option which is from outside, wrong. Any option which has extra information, wrong. Any which is changing the information. If I'm saying I'm happy, now happy is a general happy word. The option is saying he was euphoric and delighted. Euphoric and delighted means extremely happy. That is changing the degree of the words. So that is a wrong option. An option which is saying he was satisfied. Satisfied is less than happy. That is also wrong. You understand what I mean by the degree of the language that is used, the degree of the word that is used. And that is how you will have to do your option elimination. So these are the points that you have to keep in mind and keep analyzing is as the author. You don't have to get your mind to play if this is a good thing or this is a bad thing. Maybe you don't like a particular thing, but the author has written about it. Maybe you don't like non-vegetarian, but the author has written about the, you know, all the savory tasting of tandoori chicken. Or I don't start feeling hungry right now. We have a class to do. So if he likes tandoori chicken and he's talking about all good things about it, so then you are supposed to, you know, enjoy the words that he has used in the what to say, eulogy of tandoori chicken, and answer accordingly, and not say that, you know, it's actually a very bad thing and the author, it was a big irony that animals are killed while making tandoori chicken. Ab ironical bhi ek rahega, aapko wo acha lagega because you don't like non-veg. So wo personal bias ko you have to avoid, hai na? That is something that you have to avoid. Okay. And so हाँ, मंगलवार तो है आज माधव, लेकिन भगवान ही का बनाया हुआ सभी दिन होता है. It is we who have made this मंगलवार and शनिवार, है ना? So that is something that is up to you. Okay. And so that's something that yeah. So the filters, exactly. So the filters you have to apply. Very good, Simran. Yes, I also call them the filters actually. So you start applying each filter and then you just see what you want exactly. And that's how you will reach. So Diksha, two options, you know, word by word also, if they are identical, there will be some difference in them. Maybe half a word, one word is different. You'll have to see. I mean, I remember there was this cat passage of 2001 which I was doing 2 weeks back with my 3 weeks back with my students, and there was a passage, there was a question which was saying the whole language was the same, only there was a word delimitation and there was a word deliberation, and baki sab kuch identical tha option mein. The catch was in the words delimitation and deliberation. You remember the passage race and caste which I had done with you, Kacha Ilaya passage. So that was the passage, and so that is what so option mein difference hoga. You are not able to understand the difference because you have not understood first the question, and second the exact message of the option, and that is why you find them identical. So somewhere you are missing out something, and there you will have to ask yourself, especially do it with the papers which have got you know, the original answers. When you're solving them, just check, okay, what was the thing that I was missing out? And that is what you'll have to keep telling yourself, that I miss out 1 2 3 4 5 6, these things I miss out while reading or while solving, which is what I'll have to remember. So like no personal bias. Am I putting the filters? Am I going by what the author is saying? And am I getting swayed by outside information? Am I inferring too much, whereas I have to infer only one step forward? These are the things that you have to keep in mind. It's like, you know, if I walk every day in my house and I bump into a table or a chair, every day I bump into it. So what will I tell myself? That you know, there's this chair on the way, on my path, and I have to avoid it. Maybe the second day I will again bump, but by the third, fourth, fifth day, my mind will start telling me you have to avoid the chair. So maybe third day I might still bump because by reflex I'm walking. By the fourth or fifth day, I will stop hitting the chair because my mind has already alerted me and my body has got conditioned to it. So you will take, around 15 to 20 days to break any habit. 21 days, scientifically proven, is the exact, number to change any habit. So if you are in a habit of solving your RC or reacting in a particular way, 21 days of reminding yourself, aisa nahi karna, not to do this, you know, you will change and you will improve. And that's what you will have to inculcate. Okay. So this is for your option issues in comprehension. Okay. And so I'm not reading the stuff, the questions that you're writing right now. When I'll ask for your questions, you'll put them on. So comprehension, I think more or less I've talked about. For comprehension, as I told you, thoda sa reading, please continue doing till at least 20th of October. Last 1 month, you can just do 1 or 2 days of reading every week. That will be more than enough. But if you've not been doing your reading, please continue at least till the 20th of October. That's very, very important. And analyzing and sentence linking and paragraph mapping. That is something that has to be done. Okay. So your approach now, coming back to your the parajumble and the odd man out and the summary. Let's talk about these three things. Okay. So parajumble mein your linking of sentences, and as I've been telling you, even those of you who are not Mindwork students who are there today on the YouTube channel, I've been talking about how to link, how to preempt, how to see that a sentence needs something before or after it. So if I say, I'm very happy today, you will ask me, na ma'am, why happy? Why are you happy? Right? So happiness ka reason will come after it. So if a sentence in the parajumble is saying, I was overjoyed, immediately it is saying that, okay, now ask me the reason, put a sentence which is telling why I was happy. Or if a sentence is saying, because of that, I was overjoyed or I was happy because of that. That means कि उसके बारे में already I have talked about. So then the sentence is saying, put the reason for my happiness before this sentence of mine. So these are the clues that you will have to start looking in the parajumbles. And that, it's just like the LR seating arrangement clues. Red will never sit next to yellow. तो red और yellow को आपने एकदम separate ही कर दिया. But blue को problem नहीं है. तो blue बीच में हो सकता है red and yellow के. Right? तो उस तरह से these are the clues that you find in your parajumble also. And for your irrelevant statement, in parajumbles, please don't worry about कि first sentence नहीं fix हो रहा है, last sentence नहीं fix हो रहा है. As I told you, whatever sentences are getting linked, keep putting them together. Automatically you will find a flow, and then you will find a flow. आपको one sentence you will find which has to be towards the lower part of the parajumble, or one sentence you will find which has to be towards the upper part of the parajumble. Now, if the upper part of the parajumble is a general wala sentence, then you know that the specific will come lower. If the lower part is the general wala sentence, then you know the specific wala sentences will go above. This is called as the flow of the parajumble. So what I see now in your second phase of solving is that most of you are able to put those two sentences together, but kaun sa upar hoga, kaun sa niche hoga, which will come up and down, that is what is confusing you. So please go by the flow. And that is going to help you. There will be some deciding sentences that thus we can say, so it can be said, but a but wala sentence always has to be changing the idea. So obviously some idea has to be above it. So if but wala sentence is negative, then you know कि but के बाद negative हो गया, so then the positive sentences have to be before the but wala sentence. So these are the links, and this is telling you how the arrangement is done, and automatically then your first and last will also come in the right place, just like your seating arrangement of a LR question. So that is now, this is the solving that you will have to do, and in the questions that you read, you will have to look at them like that okay, In this question, this guy had written, and normally we are talking about lunch and then after that dinner. But here, dinner is mentioned before lunch because they were talking about a specific idea related to some sequence in the house. And in that, the dinner was before the lunch, and lunch was just a part of the meal which was said later on. So each author will have their own writing style. The more you expose, through your questions and through your reading and linking, your mind, it's I'll tell you again an example. If any of you have played chess, and so pronoun tracking is only one clue, Tejaswini. There is general to specific, there is idea explanation. I was happy, how was I happy? Yeah? So that is an idea explanation. I'm angry, why was I angry? And then you have a cause and effect. You put the switch on so the fan starts running. That's a cause and effect. He rang the doorbell, his mother opened the door. That is an action relationship. So there are around 8 to 10 relationships in parajumbles, which I've talked about in my previous session. They're also there in the book, and you can just read through them. That will really help you. See, one mistake that people do is they use only one strategy to solve a parajumble. A parajumble will have at least 2 to 3 relationships. The more relationships you find, the better you are, equipped to solve a jumble. A jumble will at least have 2 to 3 relationships. So keep that in mind. Only the pronoun tracking. I have also talked about pronoun tracking. What that kya hai? That is a pronoun tracking only. But always it will not help. So please have 2-3 relationships that you're banking on so that you're not making an error. That is what normally the teachers and the students, they make that error. They take one relationship, solve the whole parajumble. That's not how it has to be done. So that is something that when you are a mature solver, because you've been solving for a while now, please look at that. In the jumbles that you're solving, redo kar lo 50 questions, 5-10 questions daily, redo karke LOD2 ka, just do that and see the other relationships that you were missing out. So that will really help you in the accuracy. ठीक है? So options की बात तो शिवम अभी हमने किया था. For your comprehension, just follow that strategy, that will help you. And so Diksha, that is what you think, that it is not linking, है ना? But maybe you are missing out an issue, because if you will see the original paragraph which is written, the link will be there. So maybe you are missing out on that link, and that is the learning experience that you will have to tell yourself that, see, I missed out this link, which I have to learn how to link. So that is the learning you do from the question, actually, where you feel that there was no link. Okay. And so last sentence, Bharat, I think if you just see my 2 sessions, that will be enough. Have you watched them? The recording will be available, Shivam. Yeah. So yeah, you will get a recording, Nehal. ठीक है ना? And the latest edition VRC is the 9th one. So Amrita, CAT papers edition, I don't remember. I'll just find out. You just write it in the group. I'll tell you. Huh? Sir will tell you. Okay. So, and now let's move on. ठीक है. Source of the passage question से ज़्यादा परेशान ना हो. Normally it's not coming in the CAT nowadays. Source of the passage, normally, see, it's either a newspaper editorial or article or a research paper. So research paper will always be theoretical, and editorial will never have a personal touch. I have talked about this source question, Pooja, in my second last session of comprehension. I think you have missed that. CAT 2001 का पैसेजेस जब हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो सोर्स वाली बात हम कर चुके हैं. ठीक है ना? तो आर्टिकल में देयर विल बी अ पर्सनल टच. Editorial में there will be no personal touch. They'll not, anytime it will not be like I feel, I believe kind of thing. So then you can eliminate through that. ठीक है? Okay. And Theta, yes. So Ushanshi, I'm talking about Theta parajumbles only. Your linking that you are doing is solving. I'm not talking about with options. So the linking has to be done, and then you see the flow of the paragraph, and then you create your final option and then read it once and see whether it is making sense or not. So see, when you read a parajumble, you have to ask it, why have you been written? A parajumble has a purpose. Similarly, for a last sentence question, it has a purpose. You need to complete it, a sentence, paragraph completion or a parajumble. So how do you arrange it so that the message goes across in the best possible way? That is what you have to ask the parajumble. And so that the author's flow does not get distorted. That is what you'll have to ask and create it like that. And there the links will start coming in your, so if you see, if you're a Mindwork student, you can watch the videos that I've done and for you. Otherwise, you can just watch my YouTube sessions, and I've taken 4 sessions right now on parajumbles. You can see how I do the linking, and you can follow the same strategy. For the last sentence, Bharat, that you were asking, no new ideas in the last sentence, because it is paragraph completion, na? Anything which continues, anything which diverts, anything which brings in a new thing will normally be a wrong option. That is something that you can keep in your mind while you're solving. Okay, so that will really help you. And okay, so no, my book has without options also, Debjyoti. There are around 50 to 100 questions without options also. Cat, if you've not seen the whole thing, then it is with the options also, and you can always hide the options while you're solving. We have put the options and without option dono wale questions hai, because other exams keep giving options. So the book is for cat and non-cat both. ठीक है? Newspaper में the Guardian, New York Times, LA Times, I'm talking about all foreign newspapers. Hindu is not cat level. Hindu editorial, if you are reading, then उसमें जो फॉरेन वाले रहते हैं, कर्टसी द गार्डियन और कर्टसी द न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स, वैसे वाले कोई अगर हैं तो उसको पढ़ना. Otherwise, Hindu will be one level below cat. Till IFT, Hindu is okay. Cat and Zat will be above Hindu level. So you'll have to go above. ठीक है? And just put it in the study session group, तो Somrita. ठीक है? Eon, Vion नहीं है माधव, Eon है. Eon तो पढ़ना है. Eon is a magazine, है ना? So that is there. And yeah, Dibjyoti, at least I told you na 40-50 questions. So आप उससे कर लो और बाकी you do the online. ठीक है? And the chapters are also uploaded. LOD 1 and 2 are uploaded also in the assignments. You can do it from there also. Okay, चलो अब strategy की बात कर लेते हैं and the marks. ठीक है? So this was your errors and the strategy for verbal. And odd man के लिए anything which is not part of the main idea, anything which is away from the topic, anything which is changing the direction of the whole paragraph, anything which is too specific when the whole paragraph is general, anything which is too general if the whole paragraph is specific, those are all irrelevant statements. So keep in mind those points. And your irrelevant वाले में best again है jumble solve कर लो. आपका linking भी अगर हो जाएगा ना तो भी irrelevant वाला काम हो जाएगा. पूरा jumble नहीं भी solve हुआ, just do the linking. The one which is not fitting normally, that is the odd man. But then you'll have to be good in parajumbles to do that. Otherwise, better way is to just see the thing which is not matching the message of the paragraph. So that also helps. Okay, now let's look at the marks and the passages, how to attempt them. So we've got 10 minutes, we can talk about them. So marks for a 99 percentile, if you're scoring 45 marks, okay, which is 15 correct questions with no errors, then you are easily getting a 99 point something. Okay? All right. So 15 correct questions will get you, but if you are attempting 20 and you are getting a -5, then what happens is you end up as 40. Now 40 will give you around 95 to 98 percentile, depending on the difficulty level. If it's a very difficult paper, then 40 will give you around 98. If it's an easy paper, so obviously everybody will score a little more. So 10% margin leke chalna hai. So 45 marks is a safe margin, wherein whether it's an easy or a difficult paper, you will be touching 99. But if you feel the paper was very much easy, ab aap last papers to doge, 17, 18, 19, 20 are available. So you will appear for those papers. When you give CAT 21 and you see that my paper seems to be easier than what it was in CAT 20 and 19, and ma'am was saying 45 marks. So then maybe solve 1 or 2 questions extra and move your marks to 10% more, say 4 or 5 marks more. So that is around 48, 49 marks. So 2 questions more. If you feel that it is much more difficult than CAT 18, 19, 20 was, then instead of 45 marks, even maybe 43 and 42 marks can also give you a 99 percentile. So that adaptation you will have to do in the exam itself. But I'm giving you a benchmark. 45 marks is very safe. उसके बाद आपको जितना maximize करना आप कर लो. But if you just want to clear, say verbal and comprehension is not your strong area, you want to clear the cutoff, which is 80, 85 percentile is the cutoff. So even a 35 mark, 30, 35 mark will give you a 85 percentile. So you will clear the VARC cutoff. और उसके बाद अगर आपका 99 plus है आपके QA and DI में, you will still end up with a decent percentile. You will end up with around a 95 percentile overall. Even if you have 85 percentile in VARC and a 99, 99 in both the sections. So you'll end up with a 92 to 95 percentile approximately. But so that is just for clearing the VARC. So cutoffs generally 85 में आपका clear हो जाएगा. 85 percentile, which is around 30-35 marks. So 30-35 marks के लिए you just need to do 10-12 questions. Okay, so find 10 good questions, get your marks, clear your percentile, clear your cutoff, and then you can maximize as much as you can. So for mocks, the strategy has to be first choose those 10 very good questions that you absolutely are very comfortable with and do them. And then you maximize. बाद में 5 minutes, 7 minutes you can leave for your theta questions which are your irrelevant statement and your parajumbles. Usme there is no negative marking. So the last 7-8 minutes you can, or 5 minutes you can leave for that and increase your attempts by 2-3 attempts if you want. And you can do a little guesswork, intelligent guesswork if you want. But the first, 35 minutes or 30 minutes, you should be only solving things you are wanting to solve, things you are comfortable with. Guesswork wala kaam last mein karna hai. If you have time left, then you look at that. So that has to be a strategy. Ab isme everybody's strategy will be different because some people are more comfortable with RC, so they will start with comprehension. Some people are more comfortable with VA, so they will start with VA. So I will not decide for you कि आपको VA से ही start करना है or you have to start from RC only. You can pick up what you want, but you have to pick out questions which are easy ones. So I've been doing this CAT 18 ka verbal section. 4 parajumbles, they were so easy, you could just do it without any class also actually. You just watch on YouTube, I've solved it for you, 50 VA questions, first 4 sessions. And I was today reading the summary questions to make a PPT for you for, the summary, the questions of 18. Summary maybe, at least one summary was very easy. I was just reading 22 questions before the session. So the second question was a little tricky, but the first question was again very easy. So 5 question to VA में दिख रहा था which could be solved very, very easily in CAT 2018. So if you've done 5 questions, see, you've already got 15 marks. अभी आपको 15 marks और चाहिए to get the cutoff. So that is again 5 good questions. So 1 RC or 2 RCs, you get your 5-6 questions from there. And then you again look at 5 good questions which you have to solve, which gets you your 90 plus 95, 99 percentile. That is how you will have to look at your breakup. Okay. Now some people, what they do is they solve around 22, 23 questions and try to get 16 correct and 6 wrong and plus minus करके उनका हो जाता है. तो वो भी चलता है. Some people who solve slowly, but what they solve absolutely correctly. For them, you should pick up your good 10-15 questions and only solve them, maybe 1 or 2 guessworks at the end. So your strategy should be to solve only 17-18 questions and get 15 out of them correct to get your 99 percentile. Because the last 3 questions we know you are doing a guesswork, doesn't matter, it is theta. So -1 होगा भी तो बहुत ज़्यादा कम नहीं होगा. You will still be in the 99 वाला bracket. Okay. So that is how you will create your strategy. That will depend on your strengths and weaknesses. You have to maximize your strengths and minimize your errors. So start now giving the mocks like that. When you look at a mock now, which RC to choose, yeah, or which parajumble to choose, or which so when you read a comprehension passage, first, just before you check the questions, 20 seconds आप दे दो to read the 3-4 lines in the first paragraph, 2-3 lines in the second paragraph. Just move your eyes over it. If you feel the topic is comfortable and the language is good, like some people, as soon as they see economics passage, they become very scared. तो आप economics का passage देख लिया and you feel it's uncomfortable, तो आप move कर जाओ 10 seconds के बाद. Move to the second RC and check whether it is a science passage which you are comfortable with. So always choose a passage that you are comfortable with, at least the broad genre, so that your mind will give you an affirmation. Affirmation is a positive feeling. I know how to solve this. I'm comfortable with this. And obviously the best way is to, become comfortable with all the types that come, whether it's a philosophy, psychology, economics, science, space related, astronomy related, or environment and ecology related. These are the hot topics that keep coming, or politics related. These are the topics that come. So if you're almost comfortable with all of them, then doesn't matter. Then आप देखो कि उनका writing style से, अभी some passages are very lengthy, but you will see the lengthy and the difficult passage will have direct questions. तो उस केस में आप question देख लो, which is right according to the author, and which is mentioned in the passage, which is not mentioned in the passage. These are all direct questions. So lengthy passages will have more direct questions and fact-based questions, whereas the short passages, which normally you and I pick up because they'll seem easy, chota passage hai, but their questions are inferential and twisted. If you're comfortable with inferential questions, please go ahead and solve that. If you're not comfortable with that, then go for the direct question wala passage if you find that. So 2 minutes आपको देना होगा to move through the, so when you see a paper, question, yes, I know this, I don't know this, I can try. So I can try wala first 20 minutes में मत करो. I can do this wala sub questions attempt karo pehle. Then you go to I can try. But if it is in the same passage, then I can try should be the 5th attempt that you do, and first 4 attempts should be I know, and I don't know जिसमें उसको just छोड़ दो, don't waste time on it. And I can try में if you feel that it is taking you a long time, or this will take you at least 2 to 3 minutes, उसको just leave it at that point of time. Come back to it later if you, because what will happen, that will eat up your precious time. So that's how you manage your time in the paper. Some students feel that I have given 30 seconds to this, so I should give you to 1 or 2 more minutes and solve it. Abhi kya ho gaya? Normally you will see that after 2.5 minutes also, you wasted that 30 seconds, you wasted 2 more minutes, and still you got that answer wrong. So overall, your 2.5 minutes got wasted. You got frustrated, and you became a negative, your mindset also became negative while solving because you got stuck in that question. So the sooner you leave that question, the better. It's like a bad relationship, as I talk about. It has to be dropped like a hot potato. So if you are in a bad relationship, the sooner you get away from it, the better. So it's very toxic. Same is with a bad question in which you are getting stuck. So don't just because you have invested 30 seconds, don't give it 3 more minutes. And जब आप mock analysis करते हो, तो see, like I was seeing one analysis of somebody. That person had done 14 minutes में first passage, had got 4 out of 5 questions right, and then had done the other 2 passages in just 6 minutes each. Now see, if you get the required percentile, then obviously there is no good or bad attempt. You got your percentile, you got your 99, that's fine. But actually the ability of the person was to do it in 6 minutes. What made that person give 14 minutes? Maybe the last question which he got wrong or she got wrong, maybe they invested 3 minutes per question, and that 3 minutes in the last question could have been saved, and it could have been an 11-minute attempt instead of a 14-minute attempt. So make sure you are seeing how much time you are spending per question, and uske baad bhi are you getting it right or wrong. This is again part of your mocks analysis, which each of you should do. And then only, you'll be able to save your time. So that is something that you have to look at. Okay. So time limit for VA ideal, see, 8 questions अब आ रहे हैं प्रशांत. So not more than 10 minutes should you give to your VA. 10 minutes mein you should be able to solve 5 questions. If you're attempting all your VA, you're very sure, then you can give up to 12-13 minutes, but not more than 1.5 minutes per question. That should be your ideal time. Okay. So that is there. And the genres that I was talking about, Kanishk, was philosophy, psychology, science. I'll just show it to you here, the kind of genres that come. I'll make it much easier. All right, so I think I have tried to cover everything that I could. And so these are the genres, the kind of topics that come in your comprehension. You can take a screenshot if you want. This recording will be available to all of you. Okay, and we'll be having more sessions like this. Okay, so Pooja, you can ask your questions later on also. I'm available to you. So yeah, so if you're having a problem in 2006 passage, Srinivas, 2006 was again 2005-6 very lengthy passages. So we assume that the passages in CAT now will not be so lengthy, but still, so just try to yeah. So do with the LOD one now and move on. Okay, and least score. Yeah, that's what Shravan. तो कट ऑफ आपको क्लियर करना होगा 85 परसेंटाइल. So 85 आपका 30-35 के बीच में हो जाएगा. ठीक है? That's what you can do. And yeah, you can do all theta and then RC Prashant if you feel. But I believe that theta should be done at the end, because if you are doing guesswork in it, if you're sure about the theta questions, then you can definitely do it at the start. So that depends on आपका accuracy level क्या है. जो guesswork वाला है वो शब्द वो end में होना चाहिए, because शुरू में there is a tendency to give more time to whatever you are doing, and it takes a couple of minutes to get your concentration in place. So therefore, do questions which are easier and you're more comfortable with in the first few minutes. Once your concentration is made, then you can move on to more difficult questions. That is the normal thing. So yeah, Hardik, so we are looking at a 99 will be 40 plus. So 30-35 may you are touching 90, 85 to 90. So if you are getting 30 plus marks, you are clearing the cutoff. That's what I was talking about, Hardik. Okay. Right. And list of newspapers, Surabhi, has to be all of these. These are what you have to read. Okay. So just take a screenshot. Right. So that's all. I'll be back with all of you. And we are there on obviously your groups also. So any strategy issues that you have, please get in touch or ask in your groups. We'll respond. Okay. Ending the session now. I'm having a lot of this raining heavily right now. Which B schools, etc. VRC cutoff kisi just the CAT has, Keshav. So 80, if you want a 99 overall, you're targeting at the top B schools. So 80 wala percentile, to aapko around 25-30 marks if you're getting in your VRC, that will clear the cutoff of all the B schools. Okay. So you should be comfortable with the 30 plus marks. The top ka cover ho jayega. Yes, the book is enough, Nikhil. And yeah, that you can do, Ashu. Half reading you can do. Okay. Thank you all. And CAT 22 batches already started, Shivam. You can contact the counseling office and the hotline number, the helpline number that is there. Okay. So Sumrita, just talk to our counselors. Okay. So I am Pooja, cutoff of IIM Ahmedabad and everything. Sharma sir has done all important B schools on YouTube. Mindworks wale channel pe. Uske dekh lo aap. He is the best person to tell of all this. He has already made the videos. Usko dekh lo, you'll get all your answers of all the cutoffs. Okay. Right. Thank you very much. how many questions to solve? नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है द्वारिता. If you're comfortable with these question types that I've talked about, immediately start your mocks. Your paragraph level questions and your comprehension. If you become comfortable, you're getting a high level 80% accuracy, 70% accuracy, you can start your mocks because time is less. You all should start your mocks immediately. There should be no fear of giving the mocks. That is one thing that you have to look at. Yeah, you can do that, Shravan. You can do it for later if you are uncomfortable in those chapters. जिस भी chapter में आप uncomfortable हो उसको बाद में करना है ना. जिसमें comfortable हो उसको पहले attempt करो. That is what I'm telling you. वो सभी के लिए apply करेगा. ठीक है. So Harsh, 26 question में से आपको जितने attempt करने हैं कर लो आप. You need your 40 plus marks for your 99 percentile. ठीक है, कितने राइट होने हैं दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन द आप अटेम्प्ट करके आके मेरे को बोलोगे मैम हमने 26 किए लेकिन उसमें से 15 गलत हो गए तो क्या फायदा. आपने मेरे को बोला मैम हमने 18 किए उसमें से 15 सही हो गए तो दैट इज मच मोर बेटर फॉर यू एंड फॉर मी ऑल्सो एज योर टीचर. ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स इफ इट्स क्रॉसिंग 15 एंड यू हैव अ हाई एक्यूरेसी दैट्स गुड. उससे ऊपर का बहुत जरूरत नहीं है, नॉट मोर देन 20 अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. You can go up to 22, 23 if you are really good in VRC and if your accuracy is high. Then definitely you can attempt more also. Okay, that's what you will have to choose. If your speed and accuracy is high, then you can attempt more. So you start your mocks. Yes, Vikrant. Yes. All right, chalo. I'm ending the session now. Bye-bye. Take care. The recording will